argentinskog tanga. Ovo je naše drugo držanje online. Video će biti prikazan na YouTube channelu. Welcome, Argentine tango dancers. We see in this condition online second time. This video will be online on YouTube channel. Ono što vam još želimo reći, danas nismo sami. S nama je danas Ajka, naša maskota klubska, a s obzirom da znate što se ovih svih dana događalo i što još uvijek traje, s nama se druže i majstori u prostoru do naše, tako da ćemo čuti njihovo lupanje čekića i zidanje. Svi ste upoznati da nam je korona smanjila mogućnost druženja, kvalitete života i sve ono, nažalost, uz to što ide. Najbitnija je kvaliteta života zdravstvena, koja nam je trenutno ugrožena. Girls and guys, today we are not alone. With us is Aika, our mascot, dog, English setter. Also, because of earthquake, we have builders in the place close to ours, so we will hear their noise. Okay. Današnja tema na kojoj ćemo raditi su krusada i ocho cortado. Po prvi puta tu ćemo se susresti sa riječju pivot. Today's theme is crusada and ocho cortado. First term new, which we find about it today, is pivot. We will start with exercises to warm our body and to prepare him for our moves. Započet ćemo sa vježbama zagrijavanja kako bismo lakše izvodili pokret. Ok. Zato što je riječ o krusadi, bilo bi jako lijepo prvo možda da zagrijemo potkoljenicu. Because it is the theme, today's theme is first crusada, so it would be very good to work of our down part of the leg. So let's do it. We'll do projections like in last video. Započet ćemo sa vježbama projekcije, razgibavanja potkoljenice, kao i u prošlom videu. We are starting with inner line of the foot, big toe. It has to be, our foot has to be open, of course, and down part of the leg, it has to be whole in the direction. Hip, knee, big toe and small toe. So, see this line. Krećemo u pokret sa unutarnjim bridom stopala, kuk koljenom i kuk koljenom trebaju gledati između palca i malog prsta. Then we will stop it on outside of the foot. Završit ćemo na vanjskom bridu stopala, na malom prstu. Probajte imati palac i mali prst na podu. Try to have a big toe and small toe also on the floor. And when we are coming back, we'll go with open foot, open down part of the leg on inner side of our foot. Kada ćemo vraćati nogu, odnosno potkoljenicu, vraćat ćemo je tako da ćemo je rotirati na unutarnji brid, ali noga i dalje ostaje otvorena. Ok, let's practice. Prakticiranje. Unutarnji brid, vanjski brid. Feel your center down and coming back. Inner line of the foot and neutral positions. Thighs together, knees together, and if you can have also the down part of the legs together. Krećemo unutarnjim bridom, palcem završavamo na vanjskom bridu, palac i mali prst na podu i vraćamo suprotno unutarnjim bridom. The most important part here is to be very careful and to feel the position of the whole leg. If you work from your gluteus, you won't be able to close your legs. So see this. I'm not controlling my gluteus muscle, so my leg is looking like this. If I control my gluteus, see, my leg is open. So, girls and guys, what do you think about it? Try to feel it, try to practice a bit. Relax, open. Relax, open. Relax, open. Ako ne kontrolirate gluteusne mišiće, desit će vam se da vam se noga zatvori. No, ako malo samo stisnete mišić uz mišić, stopalo i noga će vam se otvoriti. To je prirodna pozicija. Ok. Now the practice we will do 4 times to front with right leg, 4 times with the left leg. Vježbu ćemo izvoditi 4 puta s desnom nogom, 4 puta s lijevom. We'll do it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Change the weight from pelvis. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, relax your muscles. This is the most important stuff. Let's work on other stuffs. Let's work about crossing position, cross position. So how we can do it without part of the leg? Inner, okay, you have to put your supported leg a little bit closer, and also your free leg. Stojeću nogu i slobodnu nogu na kojoj nije težište morate malo bliže približiti sebi. I vježbamo samo lagano iz potkoljenice male polukružne pokrete. Pozicija je stopala ista kao što smo pričali kada je bila nogica u projekciji naprijed. Ovdje treba pripaziti da vam stopalo nije preotvoreno i nezatvoreno. Tu bi ono trebalo biti ravno, ali potkoljica i dalje u istoj poziciji. Jer ako je preotvorite, koljeno će ići preko palca, a ako zatvorite, koljeno će ići preko malog prsta. Znači, ovaj dio noge ne mijenjamo, niti ove samo blago poravnavamo malo stopalo. Ok, on English. We'll do small circle lines. And it's not a very problematic part to practice, but here it will be very good that your foot is straight, not too open, not closed. Upper part of the leg and down part of the legs is all the time in the same position. All the time we are practicing this movement as much as we can with the pressure from our center to our thigh, to down part of the leg, to the middle foot of the leg, middle part of the foot of the free leg, pressuring all the time to floor. Cijelo vrijeme prakticiramo i trudimo se da imamo što veći kontakt iz našeg centra kroz bedro, potkoljenicu te sredinu stopala sa podom. Ok, let's do it. For real now, 4 times. Inner line, straight, you can put it on releve on toes. And coming back with inner line of the foot to net. Okay, let's do it. Inner line, straightening a bit, and releve. Ok, unutarnjim vridom, poravnam stopalo, poluprsti i vraćam unutarnjim vridom. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's change the weight. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, the important stuff will be pivoting our supporting leg when we will crossing our free leg over. 1, 2, 3, and now pivoting our supported leg. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Other leg. Sada ćemo ubaciti pivot koji se događa pri križanju i otkrižavanju. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, relax. Let's do the third exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, lega sfigata, 6, 7, 8. Napravimo sljedeću vježbu. Slična je vježbi za kastigadu. Prilično zapravo moram priznati identična. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Try to be still in your upper part of the body. Probajte biti što mirniji u gornjem dijelu tijela, kako ne biste prenijeli nekakvu informaciju, gubljenje balansa ili osobi s kojom plešete, a u ostalom ako radi samo donji dio noge, gornji dio tijela nema uopće potrebu da radi. Upper part has to be still because it's anatomically correct and because of also balance and static. Let's do our shoulders again, serratus and trapezius. 1 and 2 i 3 and 4 i 5 and 6 i 7 i 8 and. Okay, we talked about last time open arms and no straightened elbows. Pričali smo prošli put, otvorene ruke, spuštena ramena i ne utegnuti laktovi. Let's practice a little bit for our stomach and for static and 1 and feel the pressure. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and, okay? We have to do something else. I have to remember. Okay, dissociations. Disocijacija, ok. Odvajanje gornjeg dijela tijela donje. Dissociation upper part of the body from down part. Let's do exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Manja, veća, manja, prati. Smaller, big, smaller, neutra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Always be careful about other side, because if you are not using elastic band, it can happen if you have embrace closing our shoulder, changing the position of the arm, which is not necessary to do now. Moramo promatrati pred ramena, ruke, da nam se ne zatvaraju, da nam se ne vrdaju, jer oni nam ne treba, samo trebamo iz donjeg dijela raditi. Zadnji put smo spomenuli još neophodnu stvar. Ne raditi rotaciju od sebe, kao za medijavijetu, nego oko sebe. Znači, ne rotiram se od sebe, nego oko sebe. Ne guram partnericu od, niti potežem na sebe, nego samo se završim unutar svoga prostora. Ok, In this exercise last time we talk about it that it's not okay to do this because then we are doing medio vieta. We are pushing our partner away, and also we don't want to take partner on us. We just want to have rotation around. So we have to have here inner rotation, not off, not to us. Okay, we've done it. Now we are ready to do cruzata. Now we'll try to practice cruzada in upright position. Sada ćemo vježbati cruzadu u stojećoj poziciji, ali iz neutra, from neutral position. First, without pivoting our supported leg. Prvo, bez pivotacije naše stojeće noge. Inner line of the foot, outside of the foot. We are crossing here and we will leave it for now this way. Okay, when we usually do this, one hip is going up, the other down, so we are changing the levels and levels and direction of the hips. Obično u ovoj poziciji mijenjamo smjer kukova i visinu. All the time it should be the same level, the same direction. Cijelo vrijeme bi trebao biti isti level i isti smjer, znači ista visina kukova i slično. See this, my hip is a little bit up. But if I do with my gluteus, what will happen? My bones, my pelvis will open, even if I didn't change the position of the feet. Ako stisnem svoj gluteusa, moj pelvis će se otvoriti i sve što treba i cijela zjelica će se namjestiti. But a little bit much more natural it would be if we do this. Just a moment, okay? I'm going here with inner line, then I'm pivoting and cross and unpivot. Pivot and unpivot. Okay, let's do it on counting with pivots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change the weight carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change the weight. Let's do it without pivoting, but we are working also from our gluteus and taking care of our gluteus position. Sada ćemo to činiti bez pivota, ali ćemo paziti na gluteus mišiće. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Both ways are correct, with pivoting and without pivoting. But anatomically correctly, much more is with pivot. Anatomski korektnije je činiti to s pivotom, iako su oba načina isti. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Let's do cruzada from walk without dissociation or what. Napravimo cruzadu sa hodanjem bez promjene pozicije u našem tijelu. Let's do. First I'm going with my upper part of the leg, then I'm going with my down part of the leg. After that I have both legs, and now I will use the pivot. And I will stay on both legs. And when I will start to do pivot, I will starting to change the weight and starting to suffer much more my future free leg in this situation left, and I will get cruzada. Okay? We'll do it from this position, but not so big step on equation because of me not to fall down. So I will do. First I'm going with my upper part of the leg down, then we down, and then, okay, I forgot equation. Znači idemo prvo sa gornjim dijelom noge, bedrom, zatim spod koljenicom, staje čvrsto na dužini. Pivot ću činiti i ujedno ću seliti težište na stražnju nogu, a prednji ću omekanjivati i prirodno će mi se prekrišiti. Okay, let's practice this. On both sides. Objačavamo to na obje strane. Projection, slide, both, pivot and changing and crossing. Let's undo it. I will pivot my leg, my supported leg, and I'll go to the front, to projection. Okay, this is the side. Projection, slide, both, change, cross, pivot, uncross. Be careful here to not open it too much. Projection, slide, both, change the weight and collect. Projekcija, produži, dvije, preseli, pivot i križaj. Sada kad pivotirate nemojte otvoriti too much, nego samo ukoliko je zaista prirodno potrebno. Pivot i projekcija, produži, dvije, preseli i skupi. Projekcija, produži, dvije, preseli, pivot i križaj. Pivot, projekcija, produži, dvije, preseli, skupi. Preseli teži. Let's do it with the left leg. Projection, slide, both, pivot and cross, pivot, projection, slide, both, change and collect. Projection, slide, both, pivot and cross. Hi Aika, hi baby, book Aika. Pivot, projection, slide, both, change and collect. Projection, slide, both, pivot and cross. Pivot, projection, slide, both and collect. Okay, why this situation is happening? This situation, cruzada is happening because usually we go out of the partner, so we are turning ourselves to the partner. He's here, he's going away. I said it wrongly. I cannot. Everybody's watching you. Thank you, I'm a very good girl. So we have, he is going away. The other person, so we have usually shorter stuff. So that we stay in communication, we have to turn ourselves to other person. And then usually we have both 2 steps after side, we have 2 steps and cross, but now we'll do it exactly just across. So I can straightening my body, and automatically when I'm I have position, I will pivot myself and cross. So I can ideš van. Okay, sorry guys and girls. We have to say I can go to place. Mjesto, ajmo papa. Idemo. Papa. Oh guys and girls, I found a glass. Probably from a new earthquake. Smaller one. But okay. So we have to be very careful about Aika to not be hurt. So we will put her on her place. Go Aika. Stay. Bravo. Cool. So we have situation that we used now our body like two parts. Upper part we had in one side turned, down part stays on the same place. Znači, sada smo podijelili tijelo u dvije cijeline. Gornji dio tijela nam je bio izrotiran u jednu stranu, a donji dio ostao na istoj. Znači, be very careful about your hips. Usually when guys and girls are going with the left to the back, they are opening too much. And this is very hurtful for the knee in the future. Dječaci i djevojčice, kada idu obično s lijevom nazad, otvaraju previše nogu i dešava im se onda, kak se zove, promjena pozicija smjera kretanja. Kako bi zadržali smjer kretanja, onda rade pressing na koljeno, što je vrlo loše. So, okay, let's practice. We have body to the left. Projection, slide ball, and now pivoting and hold. Let's unpivot. On both legs, stand here on both. This is great if you hear my feet through this surface, then I'm working and showing you pretty much correct. Okay, let's do it with other leg. Here we have left to the back, here we will have right to the back, so ahead. Body pivot, cross, and pivot. Third time, and the fourth time. Okay, let's do it from this angle with counting. Counting. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it on the other side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. This was okay. So, we know now when we are going to cruzada, there's a possibility to do this. But what is happening when I'm going out from cruzada? Okay. First, I'm changing the weights. Then I have to do pivot on in one moment. So I can do it, let's say, on free place. I can put my free back like here and support it, my standing foot, my free foot, and make the pivot and go to the back. Or I can go here, do the pivot, and go. Or I can do it in the same time. Što znači recimo kada možemo napraviti idući pivot. Znači, sada uz pomoć stopala slobodno koje će gurnuti stopalo stojeće noge ili ovdje, ili to mogu napraviti sve u jednom. Okay, let's practice going to the back with Rusada. We'll use dissociation in our body. Uzet ćemo tako da nam je tijelo izrotirano u jednom smjeru, za razliku od donjeg dijela tijela vježbu i da odlazimo unazad u Rusada. Znači, projection, slide, bolt. I don't have so much to the back place. And then projection. Okay. I have to do smaller steps, guys and girls. Or I think now it's okay for me to go down. Because then I can work freely. Okay. Projection, slide, bolt, pivot and cross, change, pivot, projection, slide, bolt, change and collect. Let's do it once more. Body to the left, projection, slide, bolt, seli težište, križaj, seli, pivot, projekcija i odi nazad. Let's do it with the other leg. Napravimo to s drugom nogom, projekcija produži, dvije, preseli, pivot, križaj, pivot, projekcija, produži, dvije, preseli, skup. Još jednom. Tijelo udesno, body to the right, projection, slide, bolt, change the weight and collect. Be careful about pivot, change the weight, pivot, and going back. Let's do it on the other way. We're putting pivot in another place. Napravit ću pivot na drugom mjestu, uljevo, projekcija produži, dvije, preseli, krusada, seli težište, change the weight, pivot, projection, slide, bolt, collect. Let's do it again. Projection, slide, bolt, pivot and cruzada, change the weight, pivot, projection, slide, bolt, collect. Other leg, druga noga. Napravi projekciju, produži dvije, pivot, cruzada, seli težište, pivot, projekcija, produži dvije, preseli. Projekcija produži dvije, preseli, pivot, križaj, seli, wrong, projection, pivot, slide, bolt, collect. Okay? And let's do it all at once. With the left, move it to the left, projection, slide, bolt, cruzada, projection, slide, bolt, neutral. Once more, projection, slide, bolt, cruzada, change the weight, projection, slide, bolt, neutral. Let's do it with the other leg. Projekcija produži dvije, preseli, križaj, preseli težište, projekcija produži dvije, preseli, skupi. Projekcija produži dvije, preseli, križaj, seli, projekcija produži dvije, preseli, skupi. Okay. To cruzada we can go slower if we want to show different effort. Slower to show up my leg, or I can go faster. The same way I can go up. If I go slower in, I can go faster out, or I can go faster in, slower out. Okay, unwrapping my leg from back cruzada, we should practice also back cruzada, to neutral is. Let's make a cross. Okay, the exercise will go without changing our part of the body for now. Now let's change. Free our left leg, body to the left. Oslobodite lijevu nogu i tijelo uljevo. Projekcija produži dvije, preseli, skupi, križaj, preseli težište, pivot i ne. Body to the left. Projection, slide, both, pivot and cross, change to the weight and pivot to the neutral. Let's practice walking to the front. Projection, slide, both, change, collect, change the weight because we will need our right leg if I'm correct. Preselite težište na desnu. Projekcija produži dvije, preseli, ok. Body to the right, free our right leg. Projection, slide, both, pivot and cross, pivot and neutral. Body to the right. Tijelo udesno. Projekcija produži ovdje, preseli, pivot i križaj, preseli težište i odprijeti strah. Let's practice walking to the front. Projekcija produži dvije, preseli, skupi, preseli. Projekcija produži dvije, preseli, skupi i opusti. Samo trenutak da popijem vode. Excuse me for a moment, I need a glass of water. Okay. Let's practice cruzada from the back. So we can have cruzada from the front and cruzada from the back. But we won't use our body dissociation. Nećemo koristiti disociaciju. Projection to the front, slide, both, change the weight. And now, first do the pivot, then think about the floor, change the weight, and think that you need again a pivot. I will now pivot, and projection to the front, slide, both, change, and collect. And then I will do it again. Projection, slide, both, change the weight, pivot, and cruzada. And we don't need this anymore. I do pivot and projection to the front. Slide, both, and collect. Let's do it few more times and then we will merge it. Napravimo to još par puta pa ćemo to sve spojiti. Projekcija, produži, obje, preseli, ali istovremeno sada pivot i križanje ako ide. Pivot i križanje, seli. Projekcija, produži, obje, preseli, pivot. Križaj, preseli. Ok, da li ste primijetili da kad radite kruzadu za redom ili samo jednu, da niste više u istom smjeru kretanja? To se isto odnosi i na kruzadu spredena. Did you notice if you done one cruzada or few cruzadas in the row, that when you are going to neutral, you are not in the same direction anymore, even if you do cruzada from front and back. This is because we are not aware of our center of the movement. So, if I'm doing cruzada and I want to stay truly in the same direction, I have to feel how my body is responding. Let's say that I haven't shuffled my body. I to use any word for that. Ok, znači trebamo biti sigurni gdje ide naše tijelo. So, okay, think this is better. Okay, I'm like this. So, I'm going here, and pivot across, perfect. The stick is between my foot. Now, I will have a problem. This, the more hip wants to close, so I will do this, and I have to do what? I have to do not straight step, straight projection, I have to do it here. So, that's why I didn't have a problem. So, okay, I'm here. My body wants to pull me there, to the corner. Znači, želim moje tijelo povući u dvoranu. Ali ako držim gluteuse, if I'm working from my gluteus, it won't happen. Ako kontroliram gluteuse, neće se desiti. Stane čvrsto na obje, stisnem pod guzom i sada šta moram raditi? Odem tamo s nogom. Yes. Tu malo više treba biti prekrižena noga. Ok. Slična stvar vam je i sa strana. Znači, we are learning how to stay in the same direction when we are doing cruzada. Not to go to change direction if we do not want to do it. Okay, let's do back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. Now we'll make some small pause and we will try to dance cruzada through contact with the floor as much as possible. Guys and girls, today we won't have time to do a cortado because I have some stuff to do, you know why. Danas nećemo imati vremena za očo cortado, puno toga još imam za obaviti što se tiče zbog situacije koje su nas zadesile. But I wanted to say all. Cruzada comes from cruzar, to cross, the cross. A cruzada occurs anytime a foot is crossed in front of or in the back of the other. May also be called trabata. Cruzada dolazi od prekrižiti, križ. Javlja se u bilo kojem trenutku kada se noga prekriži preko noge, bilo sprijeda, ispričavam se, bilo da sprijeda ili strah. Ono što bih vam još željela kad se toga tiče reći jest da cruzada je izmišljena po jednoj priči jer je damama dosadilo kretati se stalno unaprijed, unazad ili u stranu. A zbog odjeće nisu mogle ništa drugo nego usko držati noge, pa je tako nastala cruzada. Let's say from one story, cruzada happened by deciding by the ladies because for them it starts to be boring to go front just for back side. They decided because the clothes, anything was possible and easy to do is to cross their legs.